This is the new Core sink. We're going to be launching it in mid-January. It's named the Core because it incorporates the three main functions in a bathroom for hand washing. First being water, obviously, the second soap, and the third something that has not been incorporated in the industry before but we think is back where it belongs or is where it belongs, is the hand dryer. And so far no one in the industry has incorporated these three products in this style. The unique thing about this, when we decided that the hand dryer belonged to the sink so that you weren't dripping water walking across the room, creating hygiene issues or even an issue where someone could slip and fall, was that when the high-speed hand dryer turns on, in most sinks, the basin is flat. The air comes down and it will blow the water and the soap right up into somebody's face. So we had to go back to the drawing board a little bit and redesign the slope of the sink itself to drive the air up. Now we actually have in the sink itself what is called an air dam or an air replacement unit. The air flows through here and goes up and down through the bottom of the sink so that the air does not blow up into your face. We partnered with Excel Hand Dryer to use their high-speed hand dryer. They're the leading manufacturer of this type of product in the industry, and the two companies have worked very closely with this design. The beauty of the Excel in this product is the fact that we can adjust the volumes. If you notice, this one is coming out at a very slow rate, but it also has an adjustable heater in it, and we've turned the heat up. If we come over to this one, we can turn the volume up and the air comes up, but you notice the fact that it's gotten a bit louder. So depending on your application, you can actually adjust the volume and the velocity of air coming out of here as well as the temperature of air coming out of here. The Excel also comes with something that's very unique in the industry called a HEPA filter. So the air actually that is recirculating when it comes out of the unit is actually coming out cleaner than when it went in. So we're actually purifying the air a little bit as we do this process on that. The soap dispenser is an optional feature. It's a foaming soap. It works on the Sloan motor, the SJS 1750 pump for soap, so there's plenty of soap in the industry to replace it. It's all designed around the basis faucet, and if you notice, the designs are all the same. The soap is a little bit smaller to make it a little bit more readily identifiable than our standard faucet, and then you notice the hand dryer is a little bit bigger. So when someone walks up, they would notice the difference. We also have little images on each one of these to tell what each one does. The basis faucet is a leading electronic faucet in the Sloan line today, and it comes in several different models, different heights and shapes. This one being a solar panel on it. We're at a Greenbuild show, so we would show the solar panel, but it has a lot of functions for the healthcare market as well as schools. We can actually tell the temperature of the water and how long someone's been washing their hands for, and this is all downloadable. Again, the sink itself is made from Corian. We have partnered with DuPont to use their materials on that. It is completely customizable. So we're completely flexible in design, shape, size. We have the most flexible and the highest grade hand dryer in the industry, going along with all the Sloan technology and electronics in the faucets and the soap dispensers.
One of the products we're featuring here at Greenbuild 2014 is a reclaimed water flushometer. When you think about reclaimed water and the fact that we use today drinking water to flush toilets, the use of reclaimed water makes a lot of sense. One of the things, however, is that water, which is often very heavily chemically treated, is difficult on a regular flushometer. So what we're introducing here today is a flushometer that's designed to stand up to that highly corrosive water. It's a manual flushometer, and we've done some little cutaways here to show you some of the features. We've added some upgrades in terms of the material. It's semi-red brass that we use in our flushometers that will be the best in terms of resisting dezinkification. We've added an all copper sweat solder kit. We've upgraded the diaphragm kit. All of these things designed to make it more resistant in that difficult environment. Also, from a marketing standpoint, we've done some things visually to make sure that people understand it's for reclaimed water. By code, we have to include a sign, and the sign essentially says this is using non-potable water. We have the wall flange, which is purple, and the reason we use purple is that supply pipes by code have to be purple. It's actually a Pantone color of purple, in visually cueing people into the fact that they're using reclaimed water, whether it be for irrigation in many cases or for flushing toilets. So we've tied into that. The wall flange is purple. As you take the cap off, the cover off the flushometer, the inside cover is purple. The diaphragm guide is purple. The handle is optional purple or can be standard chrome. And all of these things are so that the end user, the maintenance people, understand that when the diaphragm kit needs to be replaced, we want to make sure that they replace it with the reclaimed water diaphragm. So that's it. We're very excited. We think this trend is going to continue. Right now it's California, Florida, Texas, Arizona, those drought-stricken states that are using reclaimed water, but I think this trend is going to grow, and we expect it to be all over the U.S. in very short order. So we appreciate the chance to tell you about our new products here at Sloan, and for more information you can go to our website, which is sloanvalve.com.